have been really liking my pamper routines recently, so today I'm going to be showing you my full pamper routine. So this particular day, I actually showered the day before, so I'm not going to wash my hair, but I am going to be just doing like my in-between hair care routine. So first I'm going to brush through the hair, then I'm going to go in with the Pureology leave-in conditioner. This is one of my favorite leave-in conditioners. This product and then the next product that I'm going to use are my everyday hair products that I use when I do my hair care routine. So I'm going to brush the leave-in conditioner through, and then I'm going to go in with probably the only hair oil that I use. I'm going to be using the Olaplex No. 7 hair oil. I have been really liking this hair oil. I just apply it to the ends of my hair, and then I brush it through after I apply it. And the ends feel so soft after. It's amazing. I really do love this hair oil. And sometimes I do apply it to the bangs as well, not all the time, just on the ends of the bangs. Okay, and then I'm going to, like I said, I'm going to brush that through. Now this is the time where I'm going to actually style my bangs a little bit. I'm just going to take a round brush and just brush through the bangs like this. I'm not going to do anything too crazy. I'm just going to just brush the bangs through. Okay, next we are going to do some teeth whitening. So first I'm going to be brushing my teeth. So I've been using this teeth whitening device that I've been actually really liking from Costco. I forget what it's called. It's like something snow, but I'll link it down below because it's really good. I've been doing it for about maybe, I think I'm at like day 20 or something. I don't know. So I'm going to first brush my teeth, and then I'm going to go in with this device for about 10 minutes. The first day I did it about 30 minutes, and I thought that was too long. So I do it for about 10 minutes. So what you do, you first take this teeth whitening pen and then brush it over your teeth, and then you put this device on. Or you like plug it into, like I usually plug it into my phone. So I'm going to leave that in for about 10 minutes. I do not like, I've tried like the teeth whitening strips. I do not like those. Those do not work, and they are really hard to apply, and they like won't stick to my teeth. So I have been, like I said, I've been really enjoying this teeth whitening device a lot more than the strips. And they do also have strips as well that you can use with this device, I think. I just prefer this pen with the device because it's a lot easier. Okay, so I didn't do my toes in this video, but I'm going to show you what I did. I love this color. It's so pretty. Next, we're going to be doing my nails. So I like to do my manicure and pedicure before I shower, but in this video, like I said in the beginning, that I did not shower. So I'm just going to go in with my manicure and pedicure. So this particular nail set that I'm doing, I'm not doing Gel X nails. Well, I'm actually kind of using I think it was from Beetles, the Beetles Builder Gel nail glue thing. I'm actually going to be using that with a press on, and it actually really worked. They're so pretty. I used the Kiss press on nails in I think it's a French squoval shape, and I absolutely love how they turned out. They are amazing. So I'm not going to go really into depth on how I like to do these nails because I already have a full length video on how I do my my Gel X nails, and I haven't done a press on video yet, but I'm going to be doing a press on video soon, I hope. So yeah, the only thing is these are a little bit shorter. These are the extra short nails that I used, and they were a little bit trickier to use, but I liked that it had the tab, so it was a little bit easier to apply, but not too much. I definitely want to get a little bit of a longer nail instead of the extra short because, like I said, it was a little bit tricky to apply them. To start my facial routine, I'm going to start by cleansing the face. So I like to do this right before I shave my face. So I'm going to just use the ITK Milk to Foam Gentle Cleanser. This cleanser is one of my favorites for cleansing the face and for removing makeup. It's really, really good. So I really spend my time just washing my face. I kind of do like a little mini massage when I wash my face. So I'm going to rinse this off, and then I'm going to go straight into shaving the face. So I'm going to just dry my face off. And then I have been using this facial razor. I haven't been using the actual like facial razor things. I've been using this device from Flawless, and I feel like this device works a lot better than those facial razors. So I'm just going to be doing that. So I like to start on the jawline and then move up to a little the cheeks, and then I go into the top lip and then in between the brows. So now let's start plucking the eyebrows. So there wasn't too much that I needed to pluck because I actually did it a couple of days ago, so I don't need to do a lot, but I am going to go in with this mini scissors just to trim the brow hairs after I do a little bit of plucking. I didn't realize I was out of the frame in a couple of clips part of this video, so sorry about that. But I just take this little mini spoolie and then I just trim the longer hairs. And yeah, now it's time to really dive into my facial routine. So I'm going to use the Medicube HR Booster Pro for this, and the first mode that I'm going to be using is the air shot mode, just to really exfoliate I think that's what the air shot mode is for exfoliation, I think. I'm not sure. But I just do this right before I do a face mask. So I like to do one side at a time. So I do a minute on my left side and a minute on my right side. So then that is, of course, a total of 2 minutes. I do 2 minutes for this mode, and I think another mode on the Medicube that I also do for 2 minutes as well. Now I can go in with my face mask. One of my favorite face masks is from ITK. This is the color changing clay face mask. It is one of my favorites. It definitely has really cleared up my skin. I love this face mask, like I said. It's really good. And it turns pink, which is really cool. I'm going to go in with I think it's the microcurrent mode. Yeah, microcurrent mode. And by the way, I have been switching up the, not speed, but like I guess you can say speed. So I go on a level 2 or level. I do a level 2 now for all of the devices or all of the treatments on this device. So I just applied my toner. I used the ordinary glycolic acid toner. So I'm just going to use this mode for about 2 minutes on both sides, like I did with the air shot mode. And then what I like to do on the forehead, I don't use a level 2 on the forehead. I like to use a level 1 on the forehead. That's just been something that I've been doing, and I've been really liking the results. Using the brightening vitamin serum from ITK. This one is another great serum from ITK. I love it. So for this mode, I'm going to be using the microcurrent mode. No, the DermaShot mode. Because I just used that mode before. So this mode really helps with the muscles. I've been really enjoying it. I kind of really clenched my jaw. So I really focused this mode on my jawline. And I've definitely noticed since using this or doing this mode on the jaw, I've been really, that area has been really loosened up, and I've been really enjoying it. It's so nice. For these winter months, I've been using a little bit more of a thicker moisturizer. I've been loving the Medicube Collagen Jelly Cream. This is one of my favorites, and I use the little applicator that it comes with. So the mode I like to use with this is the booster mode. And this mode I actually don't do for 2 minutes. I actually do it for 5 minutes just to get that or facial feel, and I've been really loving it. It's really nice. Using a lash serum, so I'm actually going to be doing this on one eye, because it's weird. Like, I have 2 different size lashes, so my left eyelashes are very straight and not that long, but my right lashes are really nice and long and give a little nice lift. So I try to balance that out by just applying it to my left eye on the lash line. And I don't know, so far I like this one. This is from 2020. This is the, I don't know what it is. Let me see. This is the Get Growing Lash and Brow Serum. This is probably one of my favorites. Lastly, I'm going to be using the Ravie Beauty Lip Renewal Treatment Oil. This is one of my favorite treatment oils. This is like the only one I use. I still love the ITK Nourishing Lip Balm, but this one actually beats the ITK Lip Balm. So, like a goof, I forgot to do my eye cream before my moisturizer. So I'm going to do it now. I'm going to go in with the ITK Day Plus Night Eye Cream Duo. I'm going to be using the nighttime side. So since I have nails, I'm actually going to be using the other side of my tweezers just to apply it. And that makes it so much easier to apply it with nails. So it's the next morning, and I wanted to also include an outfit for this glow up routine or pamper routine. So today is actually, this day that I'm filming this clip is Sunday, so I have my Sunday outfit on. I love this outfit, it's so cool. And now I can start, so this is the same day, so this is a Sunday, so I'm just going to be doing an easy everyday makeup look for this glow up routine. And I was going to put on lashes, but since this was on a Sunday, I'm not going to use lashes. So, but normally I would go in with lashes if this was a normal, like, weekday pamper routine. But since This was a long video to film, but I really enjoyed filming this video. This is one of my favorite videos to do and to film. I love it. So that was it for my pamper routine. I hope you all enjoyed today's video and see you guys in the next one. Bye!